Measurement. Measurement. Measurement is the method by which the properties of an object can be calculated or determined by only comparing them through a standard quantity. Measurement is very important in our day-to-day life. Capacity. The quantity or the volume of a liquid is measured in the units of capacity. See unit of capacity is liter, L. Liter is the unit used to measure bigger quantities. Milliliters, ml, is used to measure smaller quantities. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Conversion of liters into milliliters. To convert liters into milliliters, we simply have to multiply the number of liters by 1000. Example 1. Convert 14 liters into ml. Solution. We have to multiply 14 liters by 1000 ml is equal to 14 times 1000 ml is equal to 14,000 ml. Example 2. Convert 9 liters 650 ml into ml. Solution. We have to multiply 9 liters by 1000 ml, hence is equal to 9 times 1000 ml plus 650 ml is equal to 9000 ml plus 650 ml is equal to 9650 ml. Conversion of milliliters into liter. To convert milliliters into liter, we simply have to divide the number of liters by 1000 L. Example 3. Convert to 35000 ml into L. Solution. We have to divide to 35000 ml by 1000 L is equal to 2,35,000 divided by 1000 L is equal to 235 liters. Example 4. Convert 3620 ml into L and ml. Solution. We have to divide 36,200 ml by 1000 L is equal to 36,200 divided by 1000 L is equal to 36 liters 200 ml. Real life examples. Example 5. If the capacity of a tumbler is 210 ml, then find the capacity of 17 such tumblers. Solution. If the capacity of one tumbler is 210 ml, then the capacity of 17 such tumblers is equal to 210 ml times 17 is equal to 3570 ml. Example 6. Capacity of 125 water tanks is 27,500 liters. Find the capacity of one water tank. Solution. If the capacity of 125 water tanks is 27,500 liters, then the capacity of one water tank is equal to 27,500 liters divided by 125 is equal to 220 liters. Length. The standard unit of length is the meter, m. 100 equal parts of the centimeter make a meter. When 1 centimeter, cm, is divided into 10 equal parts, it is called millimeters, mm. Bigger length or distance is measured in kilometers, kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 m. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. 1 millimeter equals 110 centimeters. 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters is equal to 1 lakh centimeters. Example 1. Convert 2 kilometers into m. Solution. As we learnt in the previous classes, to convert kilometer into m, we multiply the kilometer by 1000 m. Thus, 2 kilometers is equal to 2 by 1000 meters is equal to 2000 meters. Example 2. Convert 26,000 meters into kilometer. Solution. As we learnt in the previous classes, to convert m into kilometer, we divide m by 1000 kilometers. Thus, 26,000 meters is equal to 26,000 divided by 1,000 kilometers equals 26 kilometers. Example 3. Convert 45,658 meters into kilometer and m. Solution: 45658 divided by 1000 kilometers equals 45 kilometers 658 meters. Real life examples. Example 4. Distance between Delhi and Mumbai is around 1400 kilometers. If distance between Delhi and Prayagraj is half of this, then find the distance between Delhi and Prayagraj. Solution: distance between Delhi and Mumbai is 1400 kilometers, but the distance between Delhi and Prayagraj is half of that distance. Thus, the distance between Delhi and Prayagraj is equal to 1400 divided by 2 equals 700 km. Example 5. Length of a rail bridge is 700 meters and that of a road bridge is 1 kilometer 350 meters. Then find the total length of both the bridges. Solution: total length of the bridge is equal to 700 meters plus 1 kilometer 350 meters equals to kilometers 50 meters. Example 6. There are 18 pieces of cloth with a length of 450 centimeters each. Find the length of 18 such pieces of cloth. Solution: length of 18 pieces of cloth is equal to 450 centimeters times 18 is equal to 8100 centimeters. Weight. Weight of objects is normally measured in kilograms. Simply, kilograms can be represented as kg. Kg is a standard unit of weight and is most commonly used in day-to-day life. Weights of smaller objects are measured in grams, g, and milligrams, mg. If there are two or more quantities of different weights, the total weight can be found by adding the weights of each quantity. Food items such as salt, sugar, rice, etc. are generally measured in kg. Addition and subtraction of weights. The weight of the objects can be added or subtracted if they have measurements in the same measuring units, such as kg can be added with kg, g with g, etc. If there are different materials, say, sugar 3 kilograms, salt 2 kilograms and rice 6 kilograms, and are carried together, the total weight carried would be the sum of all the weights, i.e. 3 kilograms plus 2 kilograms plus 6 kilograms equals 11 kilograms. Example 1. In a carry bag, Khushbu carries peanuts weighing 300 grams, cotton weighing 400 grams and salt weighing 300 grams. Is it true that the total weight of the bag is 1 kilogram? Solution: there are a total 3 items of different weights in the bag. Peanuts is equal to 300 grams. Cotton is equal to 400 grams. Salt is equal to 300 grams. To find the total weight of the bag, we must add the weight of each of them. Therefore, the total weight is equal to 300 plus 400 plus 300 equals 1000 gm. We know that 1000 grams equals 1 kilogram. Therefore, the total weight of the bag is equal to 1000 grams equals 1 kilogram. Hence, it is true that the total weight of the bag is 1 kilogram. Example 2. Pooja goes to a grocery shop and gives the list of the items she wants to purchase to the shopkeeper, which goes as 2 kilograms rice, 3 kilograms dal, 8 kilograms sugar and 6 kilograms wheat. How much weight does she carry from shop to home? Solution: the items Pooja buys are: rice is equal to 2 kilograms, dal is equal to 3 kilograms, sugar is equal to 8 kilograms, wheat is equal to 6 kilograms. The total weight she is going carry will be the sum of all the weights. which can be given as total weight is equal to 2 kilograms plus 3 kilograms plus 8 kilograms plus 6 kilograms equals 19 kilograms. Therefore, the total weight she will be carrying is 19 kilograms. Weighing scale. Times to measure the weights of different items, shopkeepers use a scale or balance which has two sides. One side has weighing stones of different weights, and on the other side equal quantity of an item is placed to balance it out. Times in the post office. Depending on the weight of the parcel, the postal rates are charged from the customer. Example 3. Rambha observes that a lemon weighs 50 g and an orange weighs 100 g. Each of these is kept on each side of the scale. What quantity lemons is required to balance the scale? Solution. It is given that an orange weighing 100 g is kept on one side of the scale. Now, to balance, we need 100 g weight on the other side. Weight of one lemon is equal to 50 g, so for it 100 g weight, we need 2 lemons as 50 grams plus 50 grams equals 100 grams. Therefore, we need to put 2 lemons on the other side to balance the scale. Example 4. Convert 3 kilograms into g. Solution. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 g. Thus, 3 kilograms is equal to 3 times 1000 g is equal to 3000 g. Example 5. Convert 5000 g into kg. Solution. We know that 1000 g is equal to 1 kilogram. Thus, 5000 g is equal to 5000 divided by 1000 kilograms equals 5 kilograms. Example 6. Convert 7 kilograms 400 g into g. Solution. 7 kilograms is equal to 7 times 1000 g is equal to 7000 g. Thus, 7 kilograms 400 g is equal to 7000 g plus 400 g is equal to 7400 g. Example 7. Convert 3725 g into kg and g. Solution. 3725 g is equal to 3725 divided by 1000 kilograms. Quotient is equal to 3, remainder is equal to 725. Thus, 3 kilograms 725 g.